Gide de Melorad. Ay mo tata. Are you singing? Hi guys, Dravos Vima and good day everyone. Today is February 18. As you can see, maraming sasakyan, traffic sa daan kasi nga ang road na ito ay papunta sa cemetery. Kasi yung araw ngayon ay araw ng pagbisita ng mga yumaong pamilya, kamag-anak. Kaya kami ay schedule na pumunta dito sa grandfather ng husband ko, which is medyo malayo ito sa bahay namin. Less than an hour to travel to come here. And ito na nga, meron kaming mga food, meron kaming flower. We also burn candle, give some prayers to the family who is dead. And it is my first time to come here, this cemetery. And this place also was the place where my husband grandfather or grandparents live when they were still alive long time ago. And it's easy this. Never mind.
Znaš najbolje kako je koliko grlo. Ja se raspjevam sam kako vidimo. Neko ko je ovo
Ima deda Vlado? Gdje?
Eto deda Vlado.
Aha.
Eto deda Vlado. Deda.
Deda, dobar dan.
Ćao si Marka.
Marko, deda.
Ajde kaži. Zdravo deda.
Bravo,
evo.
Pustio prst.
Ja, pustio prst, da ima da pusti kamion.
Baba i deda.
Stavimo kamion. Stavimo kamion, tata.
Gdje?
Ovdje.
A stavi, ajde.
Aj sad nabaci. Bravo. Ide kamion.
Kaka?
Pa malo je bolje. Juče je bilo katastrofa da kumre.
Evo, momci rekao.
Kaj je nervozan, nije gova vezava, čitav jutro u kuću. On počeše se grč prsti.
Mama.
Padre, camino, parliamo della padre. Ono vrlo, kak da je zdravi, a ne vre jedno auto mu dađe.
Pa jedu autom, ja.
Evo te. Evo.
Kakav kuva?
Kuva, to su pare.
Pa ja ti tamo pržište oko škole tamo.
Bliže je prije,
Evo gimnastika, vi kako ima?
Otkač se. Evo ga zakači.
Evo mi još se napravi. Ovu raku nogu, metar i pol skoro. Ti će biti gimnastičar? Ja. Ovo lepo. Ko ti je kupio te patike?
tamo još.
3 here, 3.
Će onaj brežulja.
Uzmi miško.
Jeo sam gore, jeo sam.
No, dobro je ovdje.
Ayan na nga guys, ito yung style ng grave nila dito. As you can see, kung may nakikita kayo, yan, lahat ng mga namatay ay inilibing sa lupa. At yung cross, it depends sa family kung anong style ng stone ang ilalagay nila sa pangalan at merong nakalagay na pictures ng namatay na family. Yung mostly sa nakikita ko dito, lahat ng mga naka-stone ay black at merong cruise. Ayan, maraming tao guys kasi yung araw na ito yung pinaka-importanting araw para sa mga namatay na i-remember sila sa pamamagitan ng pagdala ng bulaklak, pagbigay ng prayer, tipon-tipon ng family. At yun na, pauwi na kami at pupunta kami sa sunod na cemetery, which is my mother, husband buried there. And it is only close to our house, but we go here first because this is a little far away. This is guys, we arrive, and that is my mother-in-law. She was died 2021, and the pain is still there for the family. In this video, we can have a realization in life that whatever we have in our life here on earth, we cannot bring anything when we will die. We came from dust and we go out, or we're gone by dust. And the best investment is to invest the love of God, because if you invest money, property, you cannot bring anything on that. You buried, you cannot bring any single things when you will died. And this is our life here on earth. It's very unexpected when we were gone. Then just enjoy life, have a strong, faithful in God, that anytime when we were gone, the heaven is open to accept on us in our souls. God bless everyone and have a nice day. This is how I realize what life is important to each every one of us. Thank you for watching, and this is my diary here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Thank you, and see you next time.